Hello everyone, this is Anika Mishra and welcome to Scope Edification. So today we are going to learn multiplication of algebraic expression. You can refer the part 1, part 2 and part 3 videos of algebraic expression which will help you to understand better this concept. Okay, so here if a is any variable and m and n are integers, then a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. We'll understand this better with the examples here. So we have multiplication of monomials. So first we'll multiply the numerical coefficient and then multiply literal coefficients separately together. Let's see an example. So we have 6a into 5b. So 6 and 5 are numerical coefficients here. So we'll multiply them. 6 into 5, and a and b are the literal coefficients here. So we'll multiply a into b separately. Then 6 into 5 is 30 and a into b will be ab. So 30ab. Okay. Now we have 3a square into 8a power 4. So here we'll use this rule now. Let's see. So numerical coefficients are 3 and 8. So we'll multiply them. 3 into 8. And the literal coefficients, which is a square into a power 4. Okay, so 3 into 8 is 24. So we'll write that. Now we have powers here. So we'll just add the power. So whenever in multiplication the base is same, a here is the base. So here the base is same and it's multiplication and you have powers. So we will add powers. So if it's multiplication and the base is same and you have powers, so just add the powers and write the base as it is. So base is a, we'll write that as it is, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is our answer. 24a power 6 is our answer. Okay. Now we have minus 8x square y into 5xy square. Now x square y and xy square, these are not same. This is x square y, which means x square y means x into y, because it's x square y square, meaning x is multiplied 2 times, and xy square is x into y, because here y has the square, so y is multiplied 2 times, and here x has the square, so x is multiplied 2 times. So this is the difference between x square y and xy square. So these two are different terms. Okay, so now the numerical coefficient here are minus 8 and 5, so we will multiply that. Minus 8 into 5. Here 8 has this minus sign, so this is very important to write minus 8. Just don't write 8, write minus 8. So minus 8 into 5, and now x square into x, this x square and x we will write together. From here x square we will take, from here x we will take, and then here from y, here we'll take y, and here we'll take 2y square, like this. Okay, we'll just multiply the literal coefficients. So minus 8 into 5 is minus 40. And x square into x is what? X. So this is x power 1. Okay, x power 1 and x are equal. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will become x power 3. And y, again y here has power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And the base will be written as it is. So y power 3. So our answer is minus 40 x power 3 y power 3. Okay, now we have a question which has fractions. Okay, let's see. So 18 by 5 x square z into 25 by 6 x z square y. Okay, let's see this. So the numerical coefficient here are these fractions. Okay, these are also numerical coefficients. So we will write them separately. We'll multiply them. So 18 by 5 into 25 by 6. Okay, and now the literal coefficients. So x square into x we will take here, then into z, from here we'll take z, and from here we'll take z square. There is no y here, there is a y here, so we'll just write y like that. Okay, now 18 by 5 into 25 by 6, this is a fraction. So whenever there's a fraction, see if we can simplify the fraction. If we can simplify the fraction, then we will simplify it. If we cannot simplify, then we will multiply it. So here we can simplify this. So 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are 18 and 5 ones are 5 and 5. 5s are 25. Now we got 3 by 1 into 5 by 1. Can we simplify this further? No, we cannot. So we will just multiply. So 3 by 1 into 5 by 1 is 15 by 1 or 15. So it is same only. So we got 15 here. And now we will multiply the variables here. So x square into x, we will just write x as it is. And this has power 1 here, which we do not write. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will put 3 here. And then z square into z into z square. So we will write z as it is, base is same. This has power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So z power 3. And y we will write as it is. So 15x power 3, z power 3, y is our answer. And this was multiplication of monomials. So here, see, all the terms are monomial. So this is a monomial into monomial, monomial into monomial, monomial into monomial, monomial into monomial. Okay, now we will do multiplication of a monomial and binomial. So monomial into binomial, see. Here we have 4x plus 2y into 8x. So this term is a binomial. This is a monomial. What are these binomials? Monomials refer to my previous videos. Okay. And what is coefficients? All of this refer to the previous videos. So this is a binomial. This is a monomial. And we are multiplying binomial and binomial. Okay. Now I can write this like 8x bracket 4x plus 2y bracket close. I can write this like this also. So if you get this kind of question and this kind of question, it is the same thing. Okay. Now this 8x is getting multiplied with 4x also and 2y also. So here we have a bracket, and if there is no sign and there's a bracket, so it means multiplication. Okay. If there's a bracket like this, so it means multiplication. So 8x is getting multiplied with 4x also and 2y also. So we will multiply the numerical coefficient. So we will do 8x into 4x first we will do. So 8 into 4 and 8 into 4 and x into x we will do. Okay. Now the same thing we will do with 2y. So we will put a plus sign here because here there's a plus sign. So we will put a plus sign. If here there was a subtraction sign, so we will put subtraction sign. Okay. And then we will do 8 into 2 and the variables, which is x into y. Now 8 into 4 is 32. Then x into x is x square. Because if I write x square and write an x so this is same. So x into x is x square and x square equals to x into x. Okay. Now we'll put a plus sign, and 8 into 2 is 16 and x into y is x y. Now as we know that only like terms can be added, unlike terms cannot be added. So here these are unlike terms, so we cannot add them further. So this is our answer. Okay. We have one more example here of multiplication of a monomial and binomial. So let's see. So we have multiplied 3xy plus 2 by 5xy. So it is the same question like this one, but they have written in a word form. So we will write like 5xy bracket 3xy plus 2y. We will write like this. Now this 5xy is getting multiplied with each term in the bracket, which is 3xy and 2y also. So we will do the numerical coefficients first. So 5 into 3, okay, and then x into x. So we will take x from here and x from here. Then y into y. We will take y from here and y from here. Okay, now we will do the same thing with 2y. So we'll put a plus sign because there's a plus sign here. Then 5 into 2 we will do, and the variables. So x into, there's no x here, so we will write y, then y, and then into y from here we will take. Okay. Now 5 into 3 is 15. X into x is x square. Y into y is y square. Then we will put a plus sign. Then 5 into 2 is 10. X will be written as it is, and y into y is y square. Now these are unlike terms, so we cannot add them. Okay. Now we have multiplication of two binomials. So by using the distributive law of multiplication over addition, we can solve this. So what is this distributive law? Let's see. So we have 3a plus 2b into 2a plus 6b. If there is no multiplication sign and the question comes like 3a plus 2b and there's no sign, and 2a plus 6b, so it is multiplication only because there's a bracket. If there is no sign also, it means it's multiplication because there's a bracket. Keep this in mind. Okay, so now this 3a and 2b are multiplied with each term in the bracket. So here there was only one term, but it was multiplied with the with each term in the bracket. Here there are two terms, but this will also get multiplied with each term in the bracket. So let's see. So it will be like 3a, okay, into 2a plus 6b. Okay, we are distributing it. Distributive law. We are distributing it. Then 2b, again it will multiply with 2a plus 6b. This is the distributive law. So we will just distribute these terms. So 3a will be multiplied with this, 2b will also be multiplied with this. Now you know how to do these kinds of questions. We just did it here. So first numerical coefficient will be multiplied. So 3a into 2. Okay. Then we have a into a. Then we have a into a. And then we have 3 into 6 and a into b. So we'll get 6 a square and plus sign, we will put plus sign, plus 3 into 6 18 ab. Okay, and now 2b, so 2 into 2, this one we are doing 2 into 2, the numerical coefficient, then a into b or b into a, anything you can write, it is the same thing. Okay, then we will put a plus sign because there's a plus sign here, and then 2 into 6 and b into b. Okay, now 2 into 2 is 4, a into b is ab, and now we will put a plus sign, and 2 into 6 is 12 and b into b is b square. Now we'll write these two together. So it is 6a square plus 18ab plus 4ab plus 12b square. Okay. Now are there any like terms here? Yes, these two are like terms. So we can add them. So we'll write 6a square as it is plus, so 18ab plus 4ab is 22ab. We'll write 22ab and plus 12b square. Okay, we'll write this like that. Now there's a way to write this answer. So we will write like with the help of degree. So whichever has the highest degree, that we will write first. So here 6a square and 12b square have the same degree. We'll just write 6a square plus 12b square and then plus 22ab, because this has the least degree and these two have the highest degree. So we will write like this. This is also correct, this is also correct, but it's better to write like this. Okay, so this is our final answer. So today we learned multiplication of algebraic expression. We learned multiplication of monomials, multiplication of monomial and binomial, and we did multiplication of two binomials. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.